In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out a device in Microsoft Teams. Sometimes you might sign into Teams on a shared computer, a borrowed laptop, or a device you no longer use, and later realize you'd really like to make sure that device is fully signed out. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a straightforward way to manage that through your Microsoft account, so you stay in control of where your account is active. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your browser. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This might show your initials or a profile picture. Go ahead and click that profile icon. This opens a small menu with account-related options. In that menu, look for the option that says My Microsoft Account and click on it. This will open a new tab that takes you to your main Microsoft account page. If you're not already signed into your Microsoft account, you may be asked to enter your credentials here. Make sure you complete that so you can access your account settings. Once you're on the Microsoft account homepage, you'll see several tabs or sections along the top, such as Overview, Privacy, and others. What you want to find is the section labeled Security. Click on Security to move into your security settings. This area is where Microsoft lets you manage how your account is protected and how it's being used across devices. On the Security page, look for an option called Manage How I Sign In. The wording might be part of a larger area about sign-in preferences or security options, but it should clearly say Manage How I Sign In. Click on that. This will bring you to a more detailed view of your sign-in methods and devices associated with your account. Here, you'll see items related to how you access your account, such as email addresses, phone numbers, or other sign-in details. Alongside these options, there will be a Remove button next to entries you can disconnect. To log out a specific device or remove its access,